Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create AI animations for TikTok. So AI animations is the secret sauce right now to create viral content on TikTok. And in here, I'm going to show you the easiest step-by-step method to turn simple videos or photos into a mind-blowing AI animations using only your TikTok. So first, open your TikTok and then just choose your photos or video. So for example, in here, I'm going to just use a photo. Okay, let's say this one. You can now just tap on next and go to the TikTok editor. Click on this one right here. And here, choose the magic options. Swipe until you find AI animations. So there are lots of options in here, like this one, AI snowman, AI Christmas blues, or AI Zootopia. So choose which one that you want. So in here, I'm going to just go with the, let's say, Raid of Zombie. Click on it and then click on continue. Now TikTok will apply the AI animations to your photos and video. It will processing the edits. You can just wait until it's done. Okay, so now the AI animation is done, and this is how it will look like. You can just click on the arrow at the top, and if you want to post it on TikTok, just add your captions, hashtag, and click on post. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks button. Bye.